Big breaking news coming in from Punjab, where for 20 months an Aam Aadmi Party minister headed a non-existent department. And this sheer farce comes to light in Punjab. The BJP and SAD have trained guns at Man government, saying a comedian at the helm running a literal circus. We have Lalit also joining us live to give us more insights and details. Lalit, a very good morning to you. What is this scam all about, and what was this department that an Aam Aadmi Party minister was allegedly running for so many months together?
Well, Deepak, yesterday a notification has been issued by the Punjab governor, in which it has been said that one department of the cabinet minister Kuldeep Dhaliwal has been taken off. So before that he has two departments. One was the administrative reforms and other is the NRI department. But now he would be having and holding just one department, that is the NRI department. So from the past 20 months, Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal, the cabinet minister of the Punjab Man government, was holding that department which was non-existent from the past 20 months. So no meeting, nothing was being done. So finally, that department has been taken off. A notification regarding that has been issued by the Punjab governor. But yes, after that notification has taken place, now the Punjab opposition party, especially the Congress and the Akali Dal, has trained guns on the Man government, saying that it's a mere circus which is going on in Punjab. From the past 20 months, the cabinet minister is holding that post which is non-existent at all. So now opposition parties have allegedly trained guns and fingers on the Man government. Back to the studio, Deepak.
Also, Lalit, what prompted the Man government to order the sudden closure or shutdown of this particular department? Because it had been functioning for the last 20 months, and suddenly, why did the government announce its closure?
Regarding that, recently a meeting was being held when it got to know that this department is non-existent at all. So regarding that, the Punjab CM Bhagwant Mann have given a nod on 7th February of this month only. So after that file was being passed to the governor, so yesterday that notification has come. So when in the meeting it was come to know that the department does not exist at all, no meetings has been taken place from the past 20 months, and this whole department is non-existent. Finally, this decision was being taken. But yes, now a mockery is being held and done on the Man government, especially the opposition parties, the Congress and Akali Dal, have pointed the guns and fingers on the Man government. Back to the studio.
Right, Lalit, thank you for joining me with those details.